Hey travel rushers, so we finally made it to the Beak and Barrel in Magic Kingdom. It is virtually impossible to get a reservation here. I got super lucky. I got the last one of the day. So we're going to go in and give this a try, see what it's like. Looking at the menu, I think there's probably only one thing that I want. They do have some very inventive drinks. So that will be kind of fun to show you. And then of course we'll show you around the Beak and Barrel, everybody.
All right, well, welcome into Beak and Barrel. This is our first time. All right, well, we do have a few rules before we go. Your adventure's going to be up to 45 minutes. You're allowed to have up to 2 drinks each, and those 2 drinks have to be enjoyed inside the tavern, okay? All right, this way you will be sitting with this other salty crew right here, okay? Remember, we're under a parlay, no swashbuckling, no sword fighting.
Okay, we'll keep it
Follow right after them.
Thank you.
Ah, you fell like you're going to the brink. Go there. To the brink. To the brink. To the brink. Yeah. All the way there. We got to close your scalawags. All right. Do you need to close the beer?
Side of my ship was gone. And then there was just a piece of rope. So I blamed the rope because you never blame the rope. So now I work here for Captain Mary and her quartermaster. I'm a star right now. Can you see that? He's green feathered one eye, one leg. He's a parrot. His name's Rummy. He lives right up over there. So look me or you. But you'll get to see him. He'll come out and visit you, but he doesn't trust any of your landlubbers. See, he's a little worried you're going to take all his treasures.
So here's a quick look at the Beak and Barrel. It's a Pirates of the Caribbean themed bar just outside the entrance of the ride. Now I really enjoyed the theming in here. Super interesting. They've got all kinds of stuff going on. They've even got a little animatronic parrot named Rummy. Some people know him as Peg Leg Pete. He comes out and sings and talks. And we got sent to a special table. It's called the Brig. It looks like a little jail cell. And it's right over here. And here's my lovely wife, Deb. So here's a quick look at the drink menu. Got some rum, some draft beer, bottled beer, and some wine. And here's the menu. Not too much going on here, mostly appetizers. And over here we got some actually very creative cocktails. I don't know if we're gonna try one of these, but if we do, we'll show it to you. Hi, so I got the Iris Paradise Blonde Ale. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, it's actually very good. I say give it a try. So this is our appetizer. It's called Pirate Provisions. And it's a bunch of chips and dips. There's some of them over here. Chimichurri, mango chutney. I'm not sure what the other ones are. Actually, that was pretty good. So here's our new friends, Nelson, Amy, and Sandra. We just wanted to give them a shout out on the channel.
Hey everybody.
Yo ho, pirates fight for me. We fish, we plunder, we wait for the loot. Drink up, be parties, yo ho. We kidnap and package and don't give a hoot. Drink up, be parties, yo ho. Yo ho, pirates fight for me. Yo ho, pirates fight for me.
Hey travel rushers, so as you can see we're back home in our living room here in Point Siena. I wanted to give you some final thoughts on our little adventure at the Beak and Barrel. It's really cool, you guys. It's themed really well. If you're a Pirates of the Caribbean fan, you're gonna love it. Inside it's gorgeous. They did a great job. Couple little things though. You're limited to 45 minutes, and they're very, very good at timing that out. So just know that when you go in. You're going to be seated with somebody you may or may not know, depending on how big your party size is. Not a lot to eat there, so if you're going in for like lunch or a light dinner, there's not a lot to choose from. They had like 3-4 things on the menu. It's kind of similar to Olga's Cantina in Star Wars, where it's all about the drinks and about the atmosphere. So if that's what you're looking for, great. There is no age limit, so your kids can go in with you. For me, I thought it was great inside, but it really was a one and done. I'm not a huge drinker, so I didn't go in for the cocktails. I went in more for the experience of going, and I really enjoyed that. It was really fun. But those are just my opinions, everybody. Go see it for yourself, form your own opinion, and have a great time. And by the way, say hi to my cat. This is Winston. He's one of two. Until we see you again, enjoy the rest of travel. Remember to like and subscribe. We're doing okay, but we really need to get that up. A lot of you just watch the videos and don't subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything. So do us a favor. Okay, everybody, take good care. See you soon.